Looking for the best graphic design software? Should you choose Adobe Illustrator, Affinity Designer, or CorelDRAW? They all create professional vector graphics, but they differ in price, features, and who they are built for. In this video, I'll help you decide which one is right for you. Introduction. Whether you are designing logos, illustrations, marketing materials, or social media graphics, choosing the right software can save you time and money. Let's compare Affinity Designer, Adobe Illustrator, and CorelDRAW across the most important categories. Ease of use. This is number one. Let's start with the learning curve. Adobe Illustrator has the most features, but it's also the most complex. Beginners may need some time to become comfortable with its interface. Affinity Designer has a clean modern layout that's easier to learn. One standout feature is its personas, which let you switch between vector and pixel editing without leaving the app. CorelDRAW offers a customizable workspace that's user friendly, especially for print designers and long-time Corel users. However, the interface can feel slightly outdated compared to the other two. Winner for beginners, Affinity Designer. Features and design tools. All three support professional vector editing, but each has different strengths. Adobe Illustrator has the largest tool set, including advanced typography, image tracing, 3D effects, perspective tools, AI powered features, and seamless integration with Adobe Photoshop and other Adobe apps. Affinity Designer includes precision vector tools, Boolean operations, unlimited artboards, excellent pen tools, and combined vector and raster editing. While it lacks some of Illustrator's advanced features, it covers nearly everything most designers need. CorelDRAW shines in layout design, print production, color management, page creation, and technical illustrations. It's widely used in sign making, engraving, and professional printing. Winner for advanced features, Adobe Illustrator. Performance. Performance matter when working with large projects. Affinity Designer is known for being extremely fast and lightweight. Even on mid-range computers, it handles complex files smoothly. Adobe Illustrator performs well on modern hardware but can become resource intensive when projects get very large. CorelDRAW also performs well, particularly on Windows, and handles print focused workflows efficiently. Best performance, Affinity Designer. Pricing. This is one of the biggest differences. Adobe Illustrator uses a monthly subscription, making it the most expensive option over time. Affinity Designer offers a one time purchase with no subscription, making it an excellent value for freelancers, students, and hobbyists. CorelDRAW offers both subscription and perpetual license options, giving users more flexibility, although it is still more expensive than Affinity. Best value, Affinity Designer. Compatibility and ecosystem. If you collaborate with other designers, compatibility is important. Adobe Illustrator has become the industry standard. AI files are accepted almost everywhere, and Creative Cloud integration makes collaboration simple. Affinity Designer supports AI, PDF, SFG, EPS, PSD, and many other formats, although some advanced Illustrator effects may not transfer perfectly. CorelDRAW supports numerous file formats and works especially well in print production and manufacturing industries. If your workplace already uses Adobe products, Illustrator is usually the easiest choice. Winner, Adobe Illustrator. Which one should you choose? Here's the quick recommendation. Choose Affinity Designer if you want the best value, if you dislike subscriptions, if you need fast performance, if you are a beginner or freelancer. Choose Adobe Illustrator if you want the industry's most powerful vector editor, if you work with agencies or professional design teams, if you rely on the Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem. Choose CorelDRAW if you mainly create print materials, if you work in sign making, engraving, packaging, or manufacturing. Choose CorelDRAW if you prefer its specialized layout and production tools. Final verdict. Overall, there is no single winner for everyone. Affinity Designer delivers the best value for most users. Adobe Illustrator remains the most powerful and versatile professional option. CorelDRAW is still an excellent choice for print focused businesses and specialized production workflows. Your best option depends on your workflow, budget, and the type of design work you do every day. If you found this comparison helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more software reviews and comparisons, and let me know down below in the comments which design software do you use and why. Thanks for watching and goodbye.